Very good evening, Zimbabweans. This is Nyatsimba Mutota coming to you. We are very impressed that Comrade Nyokayemabhunu is able to communicate with us, and that Comrade Geza is out and kicking. He is speaking to us and communicating. Let's follow his advice to the letter. But what I can say for now, concerning the meetings that have been ongoing, we are almost done. And as such, by tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, everybody will hear the good news. There is good news coming from the camp of Chamisa here. And then he combined together with our camp from the war veterans side. All of us as the war veterans, we are rallying behind Comrade Geza. Chamisa team is also rallying behind Comrade Geza on certain agreements made, which shall be announced tomorrow to everybody by 8 o'clock, because we are going to conclude, as we indicated to you, by Monday. It was arranged during the silence period when our other comrades were failing to speak to us because of certain problems that were there. They were not communicated to you, but we know there were some problems here and there. And when one soldier dies, we say aluta continua. We continue with the struggle. The struggle is going on. The fire is raging. And this time, what we can say is that we are now a blend, Chamisa's camp and war veterans camp. We shall never be defeated by the regime. The regime is surely going to tumble down. It is going to tumble down. I'm telling you today, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, comrades and friends, good news is coming. It is coming soon. We assure you that Comrade Chiwenga and Chamisa shall have an equal footing in what is coming, what we have already agreed, and what must be concluded tomorrow morning. We are coming to you. We thank you very much for your efforts.